We have a surprise for Callum. Let's go see what it is. It's in the garage. Okay? And you're going to have to close your eyes. As your eyes closed, put your hands over your eyes so you can't see. Okay, and I'm going to open the garage. You can't look yet. Come in here and look.
Oh, what?
What do you think?
Yeah, I love it.
You love it?
Yeah. Is it fast?
It's for you.
Well, it even has brakes.
Yes, it does. What do you say?
Thank you.
You want to bring it out here?
Yeah, I'm going to ride it.
Just push it out here and come take a look at it. No, you got to push it by the handles. Just hold on to both of the handles. Watch out! Don't run it into the.
Hey, can you move your car?
Yeah, we will. It's kind of cold out here right now. I got to get my some clothes on because I'm in my jammies. Okay? Do you like it?
Mm-hmm.
You can just walk it out there and just look at it for now until I can get dressed. Okay? Okay?
Yeah.
Love you.
Can you help me get on it?
Just a minute, okay? Honey, I'm cold. Can you hang on?
Yeah.
Okay. You gonna give me love and say thanks?
Thanks.
Hey. Look at me. Look at me, I'm freezing. Look at me.